We don't want to install the sensor too far away or in the next span. This is mainly for control system purposes and stability. When the waveguide makes a corrective action, that action is not seen at the sensor immediately. So if you're running really fast, you might get away with moving these sensors a little farther down. But if you're running slow, whenever this waveguide moves here, you would see that motion if the sensor is as close to the exit roller as possible. If you install it here or here, especially when the web stops and there is a small error, the waveguide would keep moving, and that might cause the web to break or have unintended consequences. So we don't want to have the sensor further away or in the next span. And we don't also want to have a scenario where you have an angle that is not 90 degrees. If you have a 90-degree wrap, you have twist. As soon as you introduce something which is deviating more from the 90 degree, you start creating bending in the web. So these kind of bending is going to act as understeering the web. It's going to cause bending that's going to understeer the web, and it also causes distortions and guide instability. So we don't really want to have any of these conditions. On the contrary, if you have a exit span that is spread out like this is going to oversteer the web. It's the bending effect that is causing that, and we really don't want to do that. So ideal scenario would be to have a 90-degree wrap in and out.